everyone! Kuha po tayo ng tomato here. Marami po tayong tomato. May ilan-ilan po na I need to. This is our tomato. Cherry tomato guys. Kuha tayo. Lagay ko sa salad ko mamaya. Ayan. There you go. Ayan. I'm gonna eat salad with my and later guys. Ayan. Ayan, may new tomato na tayo. Oh, this is not a cherry tomato, this is a grape tomato guys. Look at the grape tomato. Looks yummy. Look at it. It's like grapes. Yummy, yummy, yummy tomato. This is yellow cherry tomato. Yeah, this one. Wow, we have a few of that. Meron na tayong makakain later. There you go. Yan lang muna guys. Yan. Cherry, cherry, cherry tomato. Tomato, cherry tomato. Yung ating green tomato here, our beef stick tomato is still too green. There. Ano pa? Meron pang isa dito guys. Ayan muna yung ating tomato. Ayan guys, thank you all for watching.